Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Afro Coding. In our previous video, we talked about the project that we will be building. We went through the website. We navigated from one session to another. So in this chapter, I think I should call this chapter two because the first chapter was the intro. So in this chapter, we will be setting up our project. To get started, I've already created a folder. So what I will do is this: click on open, and so I will be using this navigation folder. So you could create your folder that looks exactly like this, or you could give it a different name. The choice is yours. Click on it. There, I click on select folders. Okay, we are going to install the dependencies for this folder for this project. So I go to the terminal, go to new terminal. So okay, all right. Go to make use of this nps create react app, nav. So I will use this. This was the previous based on the previous and so I will be using this navigation folder. So you could create your folder that looks exactly like this, or you could give it a different name. The choice is yours. Click on it. There, I click on select folders. So I'll make use of this. For this video, I'm going to use this nav, but you could use anyone you like. So you hit on enter. Okay. All right. So it is installing the packages. So it's going to take a couple of minutes. Hi, welcome back. The packages has been installed. The next step is to navigate to is to move to the nav folder by typing cd nav. Okay, so I'm in the nav folder. So the next step is to start the server. So okay, so I'll type yes because I already have that port running. Okay, so it says to me that everything is okay. The packages, the dependencies have been installed, and the server is up and running. All right. So everything is working fine. So I'll just minimize this. Take this to one side. So okay, okay, now these are the packages. All right, so before I proceed, there are a few things I need to do. Um, I need to take this off. I don't need this for this project. So if you want, you could leave it, but I want to take them off. Just want to ensure that the code is the folder is as minimal as possible. Then the index is fine, the index.css. So this app test, you need to take it off too. Okay, let me see the app. So this code in the app. Take it off as well. Take this one off. Then let me put in an empty element, empty tag. So that is it. Um, Let me check my index. Think I should take this off. Take this off as well. Okay. Now, so let me check. Okay, so everything is up and running. Everything is fine. All right. So I've installed the packages and the dependencies, and I've cut down the folders, the code to minimum. So yeah, we're good.